Dorado fishing, or mahi mahi, or dodo, whichever you want to call it. I'm in Panama at Tropic Star Lodge, and we're doing some marlin fishing and Dorado fishing. Here's a nice bull Dorado we brought into the boat. Thing's a little exhausted, but we're gonna take him and eat him anyway, and this is gonna be dinner tonight. I think it's about 45 pounds, maybe even heavier. 4 to 4.5 feet. Thing was a monster, and we're way offshore. Great guide and deckhand was able to handle three of us pretty easily. And they included the food, included the guide, the lodging. It was a fun time, great time. If you ever get a chance to go to Tropic Star Lodge, book it, get down there and fish. I've got some other footage coming up where we caught a black-tipped shark about 11 feet long. So check back. I'll have that footage for you guys. All right, that's about it. I'm gonna go get lost in the middle of the ocean swimming around. We'll see you next time. Psych, I'm not going anywhere. So if you haven't been to the site, Worldwide Fishing Guide offers fishing trips around the world, like this one right here. If you ever get a chance to jump in the water way offshore, highly advise it. It's a heck of a thrill.